welcome along. This is a Sako Finnlight in 270 with a Steiner optic scope. We're just going to go through setting the barrel up basically. So the way I was taught by a gunsmith was you shoot 10 shots. One shot clean it, one shot clean it until basically you've removed the carbon and the copper. The reason for doing this is you're just settling the barrel in. We'll probably end up just fast forwarding through this. So bear with us while we just get on and get this process out of the way. As I say, this is the first time for shooting this rifle completely, so we're doing it without a mod on, just for making life easier for the cleaning. What I've done so far is I've bore sighted this rifle in at about 30 yards, so this is the first 100-meter shot. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to go through and we're going to clean the barrel. So the tip was an actual Bore-Tech tip, specially designed not to be affected by the copper removal. Nice and clean again. We'll try popping the sound mod on this time, which is a Hoskin. We have a mesh kit to go in this at some point to help reduce the noise even more. Felt considerably quieter. What we'll do, we'll shove another one down it now, see whether it's shooting in the same place. Bingo. So we're on the paper and we are low and we are to the left. So if anything, we want to go right by about 6 to 8 inches. Ten centimetres, 11, 12 centimetres to the right. We'll see where that puts us now. Perfect. And now all we need to do, we need to drop it down. That's 12 centimetres down. I think we probably need 15 centimetres down. We'll see where that puts us. Oh, that's not bad. Probably 2 more clicks. Right, we'll give it a clean now. Rod's doing all right. It's a bit warm. Stick it back on. Everything's good. We'll stick another round down it. Absolutely lovely. If anything, it needs to move a few centimetres to the left. What we're going to do is we're going to walk up the field and we're going to have a look at what's going on.